1 साल दिया जाता है। देखो क्या है डायलॉग, लाइक फ्रैंटिक जुनो। यस। हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, इसीलिए तो कह रहे हैं कि 2 पेजेस ज्यादा नहीं है, आप उसे ज्यादा लिखने के लायक हो जाओगे, आपको रोकना पड़ेगा। ठीक है। देखो क्या है, दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन्स दैट हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम सीन 4 ऑफ एक्ट फर्स्ट। दिस इज द डायलॉग ऑफ क्वीन इसाबेला, है ना, when she has been entrusted by her husband King Edward II to impress Mortimer and make them ready to cancel the rebanishment order of his friend. So that's why he has forced his wife Queen Isabella to impress the barons and try her best to confirm this cancellment order of rebanishment of Gaveston, his friend. No? So that is the dialogue. Like frantic Juno, will I fill the earth with ghastly murmur of my sighs and cries. She is very sad and distressful, and she is sighing. She is weeping actually. No, and with her tears, she is irrigating the lands. No, in this way, she is sad. For never doted Job on Ganymede. Actually, she has also referred this story from the myth that the Job also haven't loved, such love was not there between them with Ganymede as so much as he or curse Gaveston. Actually, she is referring Ganymede and this myth, saying that even there was no love between both, as there is love between this cursed, this base minion Gaveston and his husband Edward II. She is comparing this love, and her husband is too much attached with that of his friend Gaveston. So that's why she is very unhappy, and she will try to cancel the order of rebanishment of his friend, but still she is suspicious that after the rebanishment order, will he love her or not? She is suspicious. That is the dialogue. Is it clear? King Edward the Second, no? This has also been taken from Act 1, Scene 4 of Edward II. This is the dialogue spoken by King Edward II. What is the context? These lines have been spoken in which environment, in which situation? That when King Edward was forced to leave the friendship with his friend Gaveston, no? Unitedly, actually, they held meeting. All the barons, those were opposed to the king, they held a meeting, and unitedly they decided the rebanishment order, and the king has to surrender himself. And at last he also sanctioned the rebanishment order. He could do nothing. He was helpless because all the barons were opposed to the kingship. No. So king was just a helpless person. He could do nothing to save his friend. At last he has to surrender and subscribe the decision of all the barons. So now he is very sad, very painful. Now he is very distressed that his friend has been again banished from England, and he will have to leave him. So in that painful situation, he is speaking these words, na? Ki my heart is as an anvil unto sorrow, which beat upon it like the cyclops hammers. Actually, his heart is palpitating, na? It is palpitating like just a hammers of cyclops. Hammers. As if someone is hitting him with hammer. Hammer means हथौड़ा ना, हथौड़ा से उसको बीट कर रहा है. Such is the situation of his heart, the king of Edward II. And with the Knowles turns of my giddy brain, now he is having headache, na? Feeling giddy, chakkar aa raha hai usko. Why? Because he could do nothing to save his friend Gaveston. And had some bloodless fury rose from hell? Because he is unable to help his friend, he cannot keep him here in England. So that's why now he is invoking the God. He sends someone from the hill so that he can beat him and crush the king, King Edward II, and kill him, because there is no life without his friend Gaveston. In this way he thinks and mourns and shocks. And with my kingly scepter struck me dead. Please God, send me some scepter, some ghost who that kill me, because there is no life without my friend Gaveston, when I was forced to leave my Gaveston. So he doesn't want to live in this world. There is such a weakness of the king. He is so much over attached with his friend Gaveston that when Gaveston was leaving this country, he was feeling like he should die because there is no life without his friend Gaveston. So this is the painful situation of the King Edward II. This is also very important line. Why these are very important? That this shows the pathetic condition of his heart. No? He misses his friend so much. Even he doesn't miss his wife so much. He misses his friend Gaveston. And while Gaveston is leaving this country and he has been banished to France, now he is helpless. He can do nothing. Although he is the king of this country, but his condition is just like a simple person, a poor person, a weak person in the society. No? This is the important lines, important dialogue of young Mortimer. This is the first explanatory line from the dialogue of young Mortimer. Young Mortimer is talking with his uncle, senior Mortimer, no? Elder Mortimer. And they are talking about Gaveston. Gaveston, the rebanishment order has been cancelled. Now everybody is happy. Gaveston is living with his friend, the King Edward II. And everybody is reconciled. Now there is no fight, no war against anybody else. So everything is settled now. So that's why now sees young Mortimer, he is sharing his views about Gaveston. So why he is not happy with Gaveston? Why he doesn't like his character or behavior? He said here, uncle, his wanton humor grieves not me. Actually, he is not angry due to his bad behavior, his frolicsome nature. Why he is angry with him? He says in his dialogue, while soldiers mutiny for want of pay, he bears a lord's revenue on his back. While because the king is too much attached with his friend, he is so much attached and intoxicated with his friend that he is paying no attention to his kingly job. He is paying no attention to the development of the country. He has nothing to do with the soldiers, army. Everybody is being ignored. All the sectors are being ignored. Even the other states, they are being powerful. They are attacking over England. Normandy has been occupied by the King of France. And his own commander once was also kidnapped, abducted by the other army. That was the situation. Even in the army, situation is very bad. The payment is not being made timely. So that's why soldiers are living without their pay. They are leading their life without their payment, salary on time. The government is not ready, not in a situation to provide salary to their staff timely. So that's why they are in rebellion. He bears a lord's revenue on his back, but Gaveston, where the situation of country is very bad, where Gaveston is wearing costly jewelry on his body. He is misusing the treasury of King Edward II. No. Actually, the amount should be spent on the salaries of a staff, particularly the soldiers. Timely salary should be given to them so that they may be happy and satisfied and they should do their work properly. But now they are dissatisfied because there is no timely payment of salaries. And Gaveston is misusing the money of the treasury of England. And Midas, like he jets it in the court. Now he shows he is of showing nature. He is showing his jewelry and costly clothes in the court with base outlandish carlions at his heels. He has gathered so many people, flatterers, artists, heroes, heroines, no, dancers, singers, and he is always engaged in that group. He is showing his outlandish dresses in the court, and he is not interested in the kingly job, official duty, whose proud, fantastic liveries make such show. He is always engaged in showing his clothes, costly clothes. He changes every day. One day he wears such cloth, second day he changes, and new clothes he purchases and wears, whose proud, fantastic liveries make such show, as if that Proteus, god of shapes, appeared. In the same way, there was a god who changes his shape every day. In the same way, he changes his dress every day. He changes his whole structure every day. Sometimes he wears something, so next day he change and wears something. So he has nothing to do with the job of king. Rather, he is disturbing the king and he is misusing the money of the treasury. So that's why Mortimer is unhappy. And that's why he wanted to banish him. If Gaveston will be there in England, the problem will grow and the whole country will be weak and the other state they will attack over them and this whole country will be ruined and destroyed. So that's why he is sharing his views. That's why he is angry with Gaveston. Otherwise, there is no problem. If he lives properly, he doesn't misuse the treasury of England, if he doesn't show his clothes, then there is no problem.